Wood pallet material production line from logs to finished slabs. Guys, today I will take you through the wood pallet material production line from logs to finished slabs. Simple and clear, even for beginners. First, the log loading leg conveys logs inward to the next machine, saving labor and insurance in the workflow. Next, the CNC cutting saw cuts logs to standardize and removes defective parts like cracks or wormholes. The core, heavy, 3D motion blade saw, which splits large squares into equal thickness that efficiently with a flat surface. Manual edge trimming saw treatment burrs, and unifies flat width with high color assembly. For export or high quality meals, use a copper silent or sided cleaner to smooth and standardize slat thickness. The automatic optimized cutting saw does secondary precision cutting to minimize length errors. For American export pallets, add grooving and chamfering machine. Skip the European national standards. For more information about the equipment, please feel free to contact us. WhatsApp 15963347003.